What's up mga person? Today is January 28, 2023, and in this video, I'm gonna show you Luan-luan Nature Spring Resort in Quezon, Bukidnon. This is the main entrance where you need to pay 35 pesos each. And this is what you'd see right after the main gate. And this way is going to the old swimming pool. It used to have a diving board, but they removed it due to several accidents. Let's walk towards the new swimming pool and let's try to see what changes they have made to this nature spring resort. Come on, let's check it out. Ayan na, nakikita ko na guys. You know, this is not a new pool. They are still constructing the cottages and painting them. It's quite big. And this is our baon. Okay. Tara mga artista gikan sa Cebu. And this is the kiddie pool. Ubay-ubay sa kita yung mga banon guys. Hi guys! Yan, kaway-kaway naman. Hi Ate Celine! Hi Ate Tata! Aw! Video man di ay. Sabi ko picture. Ubay-ubay sa Quezon ang nangaligo ang adlaw. Nice! Well, it's a Saturday. And dara atong mga artista. Sugod na silang posing. Lapas na yung choreography. Bira hagig maayo ti sila pataas. Pakigol yun. Hindi na sila speak as angle. Background nila ang mga cottages. Paningkamot mo niya. Ito na ang old nga kan. Wala na diri ang dako kaya nga balite kay ilang po to. Hi guys! Hi TBB! Hi Tia! Dailin! Dailani! Ate Jess! Daibichi! Mikay! Sabot pa ang mga artista on sa ilang sulod na po nga kwan. Choreography. Lingaw kayo mga bata nangaligo. Yeah. Pa-sounds. Kaon-kaon. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. May nag-posting siya, It's swimming time. Come on, guys. Let's enjoy the pool. Dara ang mga artista nga nagpalayo sa tong video today. Supol mo na. Tuara pa. Di sila palupig Karon atong sutaon ang lain-laing klase nga mga posing diring dapita. Ready? Chill to the side pose. Pinabakliad pose. Gunit sa wall pose. Pinatalikod pose. Hangad sa langit pose. Point your knee pose. Murag na slide pose. Side view pose. And many other more poses. And anyway, that would be all for today, and thank you for watching. And one more tip. As one famous author once said, you are the master of your fate and the captain of your soul. Thank you, everyone.